Okay, guys. So Ivan is sitting next to me. Can we start, or do you want to discuss something prior we start?
Yeah. Oh, we can start now.
Okay. So let me share my screen and open item list. Okay, can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So maybe let me start from the center of the open item list, or maybe it's like fourth item, whatever. In the meantime, while we wait for your feedback on the single digital ping and also the hardware requirements, so let's say the BOM cost reduction, Ivan was able to implement the very first interface for Chinese proprietary protocols. And our target is to provide the software release by end of this week. So as soon as you will get the software release, you can start validating and let us know if there is something that would have to be modified or improved or whatever. Okay, so please keep it in mind that by end of this week, you will get the very first release with the Chinese proprietary protocols interface. And also, I will go to ASK. I know that you weren't able to attend 2 weeks ago, but we were discussing the ASK current solution that the provided CPS suggestions have been validated here. And actually, we haven't seen any improvement. So Ivan was able to develop, let's say, some kind of new feature and improve the ASK with additional analog ASK. So currently it seems to be working fine. It was tested so far on the one board. We still need more time to validate it on additional ones. And also we would like to ask you for your help as well to validate it on your end too. So this would be part of the next release for the EPP project by end of this week. Does it make sense what I'm saying so far? Ram, is it clear?
Yeah, yes, it's clear.
Okay. Okay. Of course, as probably the ASK is somehow sorry, something wrong. It's not, let's say, ideal and completely the same as was suggested by CPS. So we've been actually thinking if there would be some kind of a way of some kind of three-party workshop, something to consider if you want to somehow improve it further. This seems to be as the best option. And not only just the ASK, but also we've been thinking that perhaps some visit in the Chi laboratory for fine-tuning would definitely speed up the whole process prior the hardware and everything is frozen. So consider it as an option. And if you suggest that this is the good idea, please let us know, and we would probably have the things moving. Or maybe even if you want to say something about it, but I believe.
Yeah, maybe just to add a few thoughts that we also have a topics open related to cost reduction. Yeah, also the MPP design, performance related to the ASK. So yeah, these topics could be targeted on this workshop, which Michael mentioned. So yeah, just think about it. If it makes sense from your side, we can move forward with planning.
But just to be clear, it would require actually three-party. We would very likely need also the CPS team to be part of it somehow. So just something to think about. We don't have to decide right now. just consider it as an option to speed up the whole process. Okay. Sorry. Not sure why it's still happening. Okay, there we go. Okay, Ram, I will put you here and perhaps me, and just we will see. Okay, so I will go directly to the single digital ping or specific digital ping behavior, what we discussed before. So have you been able to internally discuss and also provide our suggestions to your OEM, to your customer? Do you think that our suggestion would be approved so we can move forward, or further discussions are needed? Ram, can you hear me?
Just 1 second. I think for this topic, digital ping is a single. We need our internal responsible person for the charging. So this topic is on holding by next week. I will share the invitation with our colleague, and then after that we can discuss it.
Okay.
그리고 시험 샘플 왜 안 줘?
I'm sorry, I didn't catch the last one. Or was it to us?
저녁 때 이거
We can discuss that next meeting for this topic.
Okay, I understand.
Yeah.
Just to be clear, the next meeting is in next 2 weeks. So do you think there's gonna be another one next week, or you will need more time and we'll wait?
Next meeting, but I think I will check my the charging responsible person in the BHEVS, and then if they have some opinion or request, I will send the email first.
자꾸 샘플 그러니까 비교는
Okay, perfect. Sounds good. Thank you. Okay, so this was one big topic. Sorry, somebody's joining. How about the hardware schematics? Last time we provided some inputs, what components could be removed. Have you been able to update the schematics on your end? Is everything okay, or still need more time?
지금 계신 것 같아요. 오케이, 지영 책임님 말씀하시면 될 것 같습니다. 임지영 책임님.
네, 안녕하세요. 네, 말씀하세요.
아까 하드웨어 저희 수정해달라고 한 거에 대해서 메일 보내셨던 것 같은데,
네,
예, 관련돼서 물어보는데요. 이제 수정해줄 수 있는 건지 아니면 더 검토해봐야 되는 건지.
우리가요? 아니면은
우리가요. 그저께 보내신 메일이 그거 아니었어요?
그거에 대해서 요청된 게 왔는데,
네.
네, 이 소프트웨어가 릴리즈 됐을 때 그 기능을 쓴다는 거 아니에요?
내용을 잘 못 봐가지고.
그러니까 그 상황이 어떤 조건에서 쓰는지 충전 시나리오를 정확히 알아야 어떤 조건에서 뭘 찍고 막 이걸 하잖아요.
근데 그 지금 메일 내용을 DP에다가 쓰셔가지고 그 내용인데 맞죠? 그 하드웨어 변경해달라는 검토 내용. 그라운드 연결해달라고 하고 어떤 거.
그럼요. DP는 아니고
화요일 날 DP 진행에 대한 CPS 솔루션 문의 요거
그것도 있어요.
쓰시면
그것도 있어요. 네. 2개가 있어요. 2개가.
그거랑 그거는 회신 받으셨어요? 회신 받았네. 이반 그러셔서요?
네, 근데 변경 없이 간다고 들었거든요.
네.
그래서 CPS에서 사용하는 기능을 쓸 때는 그게 문제가 되는데 NXP는 그 기능을 안 써서 문제가 안 된다라고 하는 것 같거든요.
네.
네, 근데 저는 결국에는 CPS에 사용하는 기능을 다 써야 되니까
이반은 뭐라고 그런 거지?
지금 메일을 찾고는 다시 한번 찾고 있거든요.
CPS 서포트. 이거 말고도 회로 변경해달라는 거 있었어요?
지금 그거 레저너스 캡 스위치 쪽이랑 그 다음에 하이사이드 그라운드 쪽에 220 피코 캐패시터를 달았던 부분이요.
그거 어떻게 수정하면 돼요? 아니면
아니요,
어떻게 해요?
그거를 이제 CPS 쪽에서는 달지 않았으면 좋겠다라고 가이드가 나온 상태고 NXP는 달아야 된다라고 나온 상태인데 NXP 쪽에 측정 결과가 없어요. 말만 있고.
Okay, Mikhail, I have one question. This topic from the with the CPS, right?
Which one do you mean? The enhanced
I think-
features?
What is now your topic?
My topic was the hardware schematic, or let's say the BOM cost reduction. A couple of weeks ago, we sent the proposal of with the presentation how to reduce the BOM cost, or at least where we get after all the development so far.
Okay, can
And-
you open your email?
Yeah, just give me 1 second, please.
Okay, sorry about that. We had
No
a
worries.
wrong business trip, so we forgot.
Yeah, no worries. It came from Václav, and okay, there we go. I will open it. I will stop sharing for a second and restart sharing again. Okay, have you seen this one?
Yes. 정책위는 요거 메일 기억하세요?
잠시만요. 지금
I'm trying to put it here. Do you want me to open also the presentation, or?
Yes, can you open it?
Okay. So I will have to stop sharing again and restart. Okay. My laptop is too slow today for some reason.
정책위는 요거 혹시 메일
네.
기억하세요?
네, 이거 기억납니다. 네.
어떻게 할까요?
이거는 다음 PCB 버전에서 적용을 할지 안 할지가 결정이 되는 부분이라서
아직 검토하고 있다고 하면
아니
될까요?
지금 적용을 못 하죠. 지금 보도에서는.
그러니까 그 뭐 적용을 할지 말지를 검토를 하고 있다고 하면 될까요?
아니 이거는 그런 문제가 아니라 이거를 바꾸려면 NXP 쪽에서 그 이제 소프트웨어를 이렇게 짜주고 사용 안 하는 걸로 가야 되는 거잖아요. 그거에 맞춰서 PCB를 변경을 하는 거고요.
네.
네. 근데
제안을
제가
억셉트 할지만 정하시면 될 것 같은데.
저의 최종 목표는 CPS IC를 빼고 커런트 센싱까지 다 빼는 게 목표예요. 아직 다 안 빠졌어요. 세컨 페이지 여기에 커런트 센싱 IC.
Can you go back to the page number 2? Yes. There is still in the current sensor. So our hardware engineer wanted to remove that also.
You mean DC input current to the full bridge?
Can you move to your icon? Yeah. 어느 쪽에 있는 거야?
IC545 current sensing IC.
그거 맞아요?
네.
Yes, that one.
Oh yes, with this one, the reason why we are using this external component is the accuracy concerns. So we did some measurement in the past on a CPS internal current measurement, and the accuracy was not so good. So that's why we put this component in. So yeah, we can discuss how to remove this this component.
Could you show the data about this value about current sensing? I think other model is sufficient. So I don't know. I don't know why that IC use our model.
무슨 데이터를 받은데요?
측정 결과는 안 주고서 그냥 안 좋아라고만 하니까 이거를 가지고서 CPS랑도 얘기를 해야 되는데.
Okay, Mika, can you send us some test result for this current?
Hello.
Hey Václav, just to let you know, we are discussing now with BHEVS that they would like to remove this component as well. Ivan explained that previously when we tested just a, let's say, pure CPS approach, without it, the performance wasn't as good as with this component. So Ivan is currently trying to find the original data so we can share it as well. But perhaps you may also say about it as well in the meantime, while Ivan is trying to find the results.
Yeah, from my point of view, if you will use internal current measurement, which is not so precise as the external, you will lose some precision of the foreign object detection. Theoretically, if you pick some samples, you will pass certification, but in production, I am afraid that there will be much bigger production spread, and some samples can falsely cause the orange object trigger. So that's basically
Okay,
my opinion.
Yeah, I can understand your opinion, but we need a detailed test result.
Currently, you have the hardware, you can switch the measurement, you can do the precise measurement. If it's good enough for your solution, our recommendation is to use a precise measurement. If you will be okay with the internal measurement from CPS, it's on your agreement with your customer, if it's okay for you. We are not the... Sorry?
Okay, keep going.
We are just giving you a recommendation, but it's up to you if you will be sufficient with the lower accuracy then, or will you need the precise measurement.
임치님, 우리 쪽에서 이거 뭐 찍어보고 확인해 볼 수 있어요?
일단은 퍼포먼스 관점에서 이게 얼마나 떨어지는지를 충전 담당자가 확인을 해야 되는데, 일단
네.
소프트웨어 자체가 그렇게 만들어져서 오고 있는 거잖아요.
네.
네, 그러니까 추가적으로 뭘 변경해서 검토 자체가 안 되고 있는 거죠. 비교를 할래도 올 CPS로 동작하는 버전을 만들어 주든지, 그래서 비교를 한다든지, 뭘로 비교를 했으면 좋겠다라든지 이런 게 있어야 되는데,
Okay.
그냥-
Okay, Mikael. Yeah. We can maintain in the open point. So I will update our information to you guys after the internal discussion.
Okay. So also
Yeah.
I'm putting the note down here. You cannot see now because I'm sharing the presentation that
Sure.
you can actually remove this precise component and validate on your end if the internal solution from the CPS is good enough, and based on that you can give us the decision how to move forward.
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good.
Yep.
Okay, do you want me to go to another slide? Is this?
Yes, sure.
Okay, so let's go to another slide. Sorry. There we go.
그리고 이채기님.
네.
그리고 지금 저희 스탠바이 전류 고객사 요구 사항이 100mAh거든요.
네.
네, 근데 지금 MCU를 많이 돌려서 그런지 아니면 다른 곳에서 전류를 많이 먹고 있는지 모르겠는데 거의 한 150mAh 정도 나오고 있어요.
네.
네, 그것도 낮춰야 돼요. 어떤 솔루션을 쓰든 상관없는데 100mAh가 넘으면 안 돼요. 네, 지금 넘고 있고. 네.
예, 메일로 주시죠.
네, 알겠습니다.
네네. Okay, I have one more information for the standby current. Now status is standby current bigger than 100 milliamps. So the Mercedes Benz specification requirement is less than 100. So we have to reduce the standby current. So I will share that information by the email.
Okay, I'm not sure actually what we could do here.
Okay, please check it. Yeah.
So does the standby current means that the board is pinging, or is just executing the analog pings, or what is actually meant by the standby?
스탠바이 보드가 정확하게 뭐예요?
네.
핑 쏘는 상태인지.
analog ping mode.
Analog ping, okay. And what should be the voltage for this test? Is it 12 volts?
Just no more.
Ram or anybody? Can you reply?
That point I shared by email is I think it's a wrong discussion.
Okay, I'll send you email.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, anything else to shared presentation?
Nope, we can go.
Okay,
Another
so
topic.
I'm going to
Maybe
Yeah.
one question from my side, just quick question. For the Q factor, so is your plan to continue with the NXP Q factor, which requires the mentioned op-amp? In the past, we discussed that we need it because of the accuracy and the stability. So I just want to make sure that we are aligned, that you are planning to use our solution for the Q factor.
If I can add something, it's basically the same situation as the input current measurement. We found that our Q-factor measurement is more precise than the integrated solution, and it's also on you to investigate if the integrated solution is good enough for your project, or if you will go with our recommendation to have the precise measurement. We found that with the low accuracy Q-factor measurement, there can be some mistriggered and some false positive trigger points also for object detection. But it's also on you to say if it's good enough for you or if not. As I said previously, we are recommending the safe solution, which we are confident that it's okay without problems. But if it's enough, the internal measurement, it's also up to you.
Okay.
Also, as we discussed in the separate communication, as long as you decide to go directly with the CPES solution, we cannot guarantee the passing cheat certification. Our NXP solution is validated. We are 100% sure that it's going to be okay. But for the CPS, if there will be some issues observed and encountered, the CPS team will have to be engaged and they would have to be responsible for fine tuning. Okay. Okay, so far so good, I believe. Where did we go? Integration, Q-factor, ASK, we already discussed. ADC channels, I will skip it. This is okay, analog ping. Last time we provided the software with enabled analog ping, and just wanted to one more time confirm. Is everything okay with the analog ping? Have you been able to validate it?
지정책임 요구 관련된 내용 무엇이죠? 해상도임도 요구
네.
보이죠? We still open this topic, so I will update soon.
Okay. EPP casing missing. So I believe that we can close it. Or should we expect from you that you would send the kind of the top rubber as well?
We don't have top rubber,
Okay.
so I'm not sure we can send to you or not. I don't know. Yeah.
Do you think, Ivan, we can close it? We don't need it anymore? Or...
Actually, it would be good if you can provide the top cover, because especially for the EPP project, the iPhones with thick cameras, if I put it on the edge, actually it will drop over the edge when there is no top cover, which changes the Z gap actually. So it would be nice to have the final interface surface of the product to better tune the performance with the iPhones. I mean, on an EPP product. So yeah, so please try to figure it out how to provide us this this
Top
top
surface,
top cover. It would be appreciated.
Okay, please send your request by email or so. I will check it.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. What about this? Oops, sorry. And this would be validated later with the new ASK method, right? So I will leave it open. Or do you want to say
Yeah,
something?
from our side, the topic number 20 is actually solved by the new ASK approach. So now, yeah, would be better if you can confirm it from your side once we provide the release.
Yeah.
So I believe this, yeah, this is related to the MPP product only. So
Okay. Okay, test equipment capability. So we discussed last time that you would have to visit the testing lab. And have you been able to check what they are using, if they use the NOC9 or GRL?
They are using NOC9.
NOC9, perfect. Those are really good news. I know we discussed some kind of schedule at the very beginning of the project, but do you have more accurate deadline for the pre-cheat certification? When do you expect to, let's say, freeze the hardware? When do you expect to go for the pre-cheat certification and later for the cheat certification? Ram, do you think that you would be able to pull these dates somehow?
Actually, I don't know.
Okay, no worries. So if you can please look into it later after the call and send us the feedback. We would like to be aligned with you and we would like to avoid some missing, some critical deadlines. Okay. Sorry. Okay, authentication failures. Prior the holiday, there was highlighted some kind of authentication failure in your system. Have you been able to go through the Ivan's email and recommendations?
Ivan sent us some email, right? I didn't see all the email now until now.
Yeah.
Okay, I will check it.
Yeah.
can you open it maybe?
Maybe if you give me a second. Okay, I got it. I will start sharing again this email. Okay, so this is the communication we have for the holiday. I'm not sure if you want to comment it anymore
Yes,
somehow.
you provided us the basically two logs, which we investigated, and there was other limitation was caused by authentication failure, but we cannot reproduce it on the release. So the question from us was basically, we can follow our suggestion and check whether this is related to the integration of our software to your, or there is something else. If you have any update on this, or if this is sufficient answer for you, or you need some more support here, so yeah, please give us a feedback on this.
Right. Understood.
Okay, and I've run out of all the topics. Is there, guys, anything else to highlight today? Any other concerns? Maybe
Until now, I don't have any additional topic, but I have to read again the operation list and the all the emails. So if I have any additional topic, I will send the email.
Okay. Ram, and just to make sure, in the short term, is there some critical deadline in next couple of days, couple of weeks we should be aware of?
Sir, come again? I didn't catch your point.
No, so in the short term, from the time perspective, is there some critical deadline that we should be aware of, like in next 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks? I don't know. Is there some another demonstration to customer? Is there some, I don't know, just we want to be sure that we don't miss anything.
Currently, we don't have any urgent topic now, so yeah, please to optimize our schematic.
Okay.
These days, yes. Okay.
Okay,
All right.
sounds good.
Yep.
All right, so thank you very much, everyone. Enjoy the rest of the day. Take care.
Bye-bye.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye.